Greg Walsh. I run a brand called Wolf Brigade, headquartered in Rochester, New York. I've been in the strength and conditioning industry for about 20 years, and what we focus on is building some of the finest generalist athletes in the world. Everything we do is predicated on surgically accurate details applied with violence of action across all mediums. And today we're going to cover the simple push-up. Very seldom is there one right way to do anything. However, there are often ways that are far less effective, far less safe, and far less transferable than others. When we look at something like the push-up, we want to consider all the factors that would go into much heavier variations of horizontal pushing. Bench press, rowing, anything that would require a lot of bracing and stability that we can build in the bodyweight version of the movement. We'll demonstrate some push-ups on the ground. We'll demonstrate a simple scaling up onto a bench. It can be any kind of bench, park bench, bench press bench. And then when we get done, we'll show something that we prioritize a lot also, which is implement interchangeability. Once excellent details are in play, we should be able to transfer them to almost any other application. And we'll simply demonstrate a bunch of different places to do push-ups with the exact same details that we'll practice today. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. There's more where these came from. And if we could leave you with one detail, it's that once something works in the simplest version of any movement or lift, don't change it as things get more complicated. Your capacity will develop faster if you stick religiously to the fundamentals. Have a great day.